Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review of batting gloves, and this time I have something special in my hands. Virat Kohli style batting gloves. Well, this is what you might have seen him wearing throughout his career almost. For test matches, for one day internationals, for T20 internationals in the IPL, wherever he plays, he prefers this style of gloves, and this has been his favorite. I think as long as I remember him seeing on the cricket field, no matter what colors he is donning on the specific day. Well, it is indeed like special in the sense of what is present in these gloves. Now this is a hybrid design of having the split fingers and the sausage fingers in the same gloves, but there are fiber reinforcements throughout the gloves. The entire gloves, basically the entire thing is fiber reinforcements, just that the index finger and the middle finger would be having a split here, but the latter two fingers would not be having any split. It's all complete sausage. On the thumb, there is no split in the thumb. It's basically a one piece, but again it has the fiber reinforcements inside there to protect you from any kind of impact. Well, on the palm you have premium sheep leather, and there is no wear patch on this particular glove, and there is premium sheep leather throughout the length of the glove. There is ventilation in the sense that if you see on the sides here and on the sides here, you would get ventilation. There is only a small patch of protection on the sides of this particular gloves. Well, we talk about the towel that is present on the gloves. The towel is slightly bigger than the Elite version of the gloves. It's on the bigger side, and it has the highest quality leather branding strap with the Velcro for the palm as well. Well, the inside is also really good quality. No compromises has been done with respect to the quality that is present on the gloves. There is one small change that has been done throughout the period of the years. Previously it was all blue, but now they have inserted a small grayish color or silverish color design here on the middle finger and the index finger. That's probably the changes that has been occurred over the period of years, and the MRF branding being present here and here. Well, MRF Virat Kohli gloves. Those who are fans of Virat Kohli and would like to don the same kind of gloves that the King Kohli dons during his masterful innings, then please contact us through any social media platform, or you can click on the link in the description to purchase these gloves. Well, that was it for this video, guys. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.